Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Today we will be presenting about the 7 QC tools as part of our quality management assignment. Okay. For our group members, first Vivian Raren Krishna Kumar, Zaris Safisa binti Zulkifli, and me Muhammad Noy Faris bin Jasmine. For the next part is our objective. Okay, for the objective, the objective of these 7 QC tools are to understand what the 7 QC tools are, to learn why they are still important today, to see how these tools help in solving quality problems, and the last one, to support learning in quality management with simple explanation. Okay, for the introduction of our topic, quality management is very important for any organisation that wants to produce good products and satisfy customers. The 7 QC tools help companies find problems based on real data, not the guessing one. Okay. These tools are easy to learn and can be used by anyone, not only for engineers. For the next part, the tools of the 7 QC tools. Okay, what are they? The 7 QC tools are simple problem solving tools that can be used to collect data, identify problems, analyze causes, and improve process. These tools, they are first the check sheet, Pareto Chart, Fishbone diagram, Histogram, control chart, scatter diagram, and the last one is Flowchart.
Hi guys, my name is Vivendra Krishna Kumar and I will continue from slide 6, which is check sheet. A check sheet is the simplest tool among all the QC tools. It is used to collect data in structured ways such as counting the numbers of defects during each shift or each day. The main purpose is to quickly see which problem happened most often. This tool is usually the starting point before moving to deeper analysis. Next is Pareto Chart. The Pareto Chart is based on 80-20 rule, which is 80% of the problem usually come from the 20% of the causes. So instead of solving everything at once, this tool helps us focus on the major issues that give the biggest impact. For example, if a company receives many customer complaints, the Pareto Chart helps to identify which complaint is the most common. Next is Fishbone diagram. The Fishbone diagram, also called the cause and effect diagram, helps us to find the root because of a problem. It organizes causes into categories like man, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. This tool is very effective during brainstorming because it encourages the team to look at all the possible causes, not just the obvious one. Next is histogram. A histogram shows how the data is spread or distributed. For example, if we check the weight of 100 products, a histogram will show whether the products are consistent or whether there are large variations as the figure above. If the histogram shape looks uneven or unstable, it means the process might need improvement or tighter control.
A control chart is used to monitor a process over time. It shows a center line, an upper control limit UCL and a lower control limit LCL. When data stays within these limits, the process is stable, but if any points goes outside the limits, it means something unusual has happened and we need to investigate immediately. A scatter diagram is used to study the relationship between two variables. For example, we may want to see whether machine temperature affect the number of defects. If the points from a pattern or trend, then the variables are related. If they are scattered randomly, there is no relationship. A flowchart shows a process step by step from start to finish. It is very useful for identifying unnecessary steps, delays, or bottlenecks. Flowcharts make it easier to understand how a process works and where improvements can be made. To conclude, the 7 QC tools are very widely used today because they make problem solving easier. They rely on real data and they help organizations maintain good quality and reduce waste. These tools are very important for us as engineering and technology students because we will definitely use them in the future industry. Thank you for listening.